Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, in this occasion
we are going to present our procedure text video.
But before presenting, we will introduce ourselves. I am Sania Wilchen Azizah.
I am Reva Alya Azzahra.
I am Nabilla Salma.
So let's enjoy it.
How to make cipak. Ingredients: 50 milliliters hot water, 13 tablespoons tapioca flour, 250 milliliters cooking oil, 4 tablespoons flour, half teaspoon powdered broth, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 cloves garlic, 3 seeds sliced lime leaves, 1 packed chili powder, 2 sticks sausage. Equipment: pan, cobek, knife, small basin, spoon, mug, spatula, oil filter, pan, stove, teflon. Steps: first,
Grind garlic using a mortar to make the cipak dough.
then mix tapioca flour, garlic that has been mashed, heat salt, powdered broth, and pour it into a basin. Then stir the dough using a spoon until well blended, and don't stir in the dough when cold because it can make the dough hard and hard to shape. Then slice the sausage into small pieces to form dice to be used as filling chips. Next, take a little dough as the shape, then flatten it using your hand. After that, fill the dough that has been flattened using the sausage stuffing that has been prepared.
Next, prepare a frying pan filled with cooking oil, and then pat the dough filled with sausage into the oil while it's cold, so that the dough does not explode when fried. Then, after the dough is golden yellow, drain it using an oil filter. Then saw the remaining mashed garlic with sliced lime leaves using teflon which contains a little oil until it emits a fragrant scent.
After that, enter the dough that is cooked and add chili powder, cipak seasoning, and cooking oil in a small basin.
Finally, the cipak is ready to be served.
Well, we think just enough and good luck.
See you!